Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Maria Roda Dinaga and my co-presenter is Dr. Jeffrey Villena. We are from the College of Hospitality and Tourism Management, IRIS, Manila, Philippines. I am here to present a paper entitled Employer Feedback on Graduates of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management academic years 2022 to 2024. So this study aligns with SDG 4, quality education, by helping improve the BSHM curriculum and ensuring students gain relevant industry-ready skills. The hospitality industry relies on skilled and dedicated employees to meet guest expectations. Employer feedback is vital in assessing graduate skills, knowledge, attitude, and reliability, helping improve both performance and organizational success. Using Becker's human capital theory in 1964, which views education and training as investments that enhance skills and workplace value. This study shows that strong ratings in adaptability, initiative, teamwork, and technical skills reflect the effectiveness of the BSHM program or Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, while slightly lower scores in communication and handling pressure indicate areas for improvement. Overall, the BSHM graduates are well prepared, capable, and ready to succeed in the hospitality industry. For the methodology, the study employed a mixed method research design, combining both the quantitative and qualitative approaches to provide a comprehensive understanding of employers' perception. The researchers utilized purposive sampling in selecting 20 managers, 40 supervisors, and 60 regular employees from hotels, restaurants, and cruise ship where the graduates are employed, conducted surveys to gather measurable data on graduates' performance and preparedness. Researcher-made questionnaire was used. Data analysis percentage, weighted mean, Likert scale, and ANOVA were also used as tools. For the results, employers' feedback on BSHM graduates' competencies initiative shows 4.09, adaptability is 4.08, cooperation 4.06, quality of work 4.004, abilities, knowledge, and skills 4.02, reliability 4.0, judgment and analysis 3.98, attendance and punctuality 3.97, quantity of work 3.95, communication skills 3.89, and attitude 3.84, with an overall assessment of grand mean of 3.99. For the comparative assessment, the study computed the F values for various competencies of BHHM graduates, including abilities, knowledge, and skills is 0.01258, quality of work is 0.01789, quantity of work is 0.65795, attitude is 0.03581, communication skills is 0.03588, cooperation is 0.23091, reliability is 0.03297, initiative is 0.08014, attendance and punctuality 0.04598, judgment and analysis 0.30344, and adaptability 0.00950. All F values were lower than the corresponding critical values at the 0.05 level of significance, indicating no significant difference in employees' feedback among managers, supervisors, and employees. Consequently, the null hypothesis is accepted, showing the Bachelors of Science in Hospitality Management graduates are consistently rated across all competencies, reflecting their preparedness and competence in the workplace. For the problems encountered of the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, overall problems were minimal with a weighted mean of 1.55. That means very least encountered. For the problems that is rated from 1.06, 1.86 to 2.43, lack of proficiency in technical areas. We are talking about revenue management, guest service, event planning. That is 2.43. Inconsistencies in work quality, errors in service, cleanliness, food and beverage, 2.26. Difficulty managing workload efficiently, especially during peak periods, 2.15. Challenges in teamwork affecting workflow and collaboration, 1.98. Communication issues with guests or colleagues, 1.97. And negative attitude affecting morale and customer satisfaction is 1.86. Very least encountered issues weighted mean of 1.51 to 1.70. Attendance and punctuality problems, 1.70. Inconsistently in fulfilling work commitments, 1.69. Difficulty adapting to changes in work environment is 1.51. Qualitative results, BSHM graduates demonstrate strong skills in routine operations, communication, teamwork, and guest interactions. They are collaborative, adhere to schedules, and respond well to feedback, reflecting the effectiveness of practical training. Challenges in advanced financial tasks, multitasking under pressure, and critical problem solving. Interventions such as mentorship, hands on experience in high pressure situations, and advanced technical training can further enhance graduate workplace readiness. For the conclusions, graduates are highly competent, excelling in initiative, adaptability, cooperation, and quality of work. Communication and attitude are good, though slightly lower. Number two, employers' feedback is consistent across managers, supervisors, and employees, supporting the acceptance of the hypothesis. Number three, graduates are well prepared for hospitality roles with minimal challenges in technical skills, teamwork, communication, and adaptability. Some areas are like high pressure situations, advanced financial tasks, multitasking needs improvement through mentorship and practical training. Overall, the BSHM program effectively equips students to meet industry expectations and succeed in hospitality careers. Recommendations: enhance practical training by using role playing workplace simulations and values-based activities to improve communication, professionalism, and resilience. Initiative, adaptability, teamwork, and reliability should be fostered through collaborative projects, leadership tasks, and real-world challenges. Number three, technical competencies can be strengthened by including advanced financial management, and multitasking modules, and by expanding internship during peak operations for hands-on experience. Number four, establish mentorship programs with industry partners to provide guidance, networking, and professional insights. And number five, regularly gather employer feedbacks to ensure graduates meet evolving industry standards. For the references, these are the references that were listed for your reference. And once again, I'd like to thank you. I am Maria Roda D. Dinaga from the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism Management from IRIS, Manila, Philippines. Thank you so much.